Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Vicky here, and in this video, I'm gonna take you on a tour of different kind of landing pages that we use in affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna show you what kind of landing pages you should use to get more sales, to get more conversion on your offer. Okay, so far you would have come across three kind of landing page, right? The first one is quiz landing page, okay, one button lander, and directorial lander. These are three landing pages that we use when you promote any offer from any affiliate network, right? Now I'm going to show you this landing page one by one, and I'm going to show you which one you should use after choosing your offer, okay? So basically, guys, let's visit the first quiz landing page, okay? So this is an example of a quiz landing page. As you can see here, we have few questions on the landing page, right? So when your audience land on your landing page, they go through these questions. They answer these questions, and at last they go to the offer that you are promoting, okay? Now, there is a benefit of this landing page is that when you send your traffic to this landing page, to quiz landing page, and when your audience answers the question, they are giving you a small commitment, right? They are connecting with your landing page, and eventually when they're gonna land on your actual offer, which is here, so the chances that they're gonna buy is very high because they have already engaged, they have already given you commitment in the form of answers that you have put on your landing page, okay? So this is a benefit of using a quiz landing page. Now let's go to another landing page, which is one button landing page, okay? What's your vibration level? There are three levels of vibration. Watch the free video. So this is one button here on this landing page, right? Now when your audience gonna click on this one button, they're going to land on the actual offer, right? So they're going to land here and they will interact with your actual affiliate offer. Now the good thing about one button landing page is that your audience don't have to spend too much time on your landing page. They just click on your ad and then they will go to your landing page, and from there they just click one button and they move to your offer, right? Now there is another kind of landing page which is advertorial landing page, okay? So let's go to an example of advertorial landing page. This is an example of our advertorial landing page. As you can see here, it seems like a news article, right? But actually it's not a news article, it's a landing page. So when the audience is gonna click here, they will land to the actual offer, okay? So these kind of news articles are called advertorial landing page. Basically, they explain little bit about the offer and they give some information about the offer to your audience, and when your audience will click these links here or here, they will land on actual offer and then they will buy or they will convert, okay? So these kind of landing page are called advertorial landing page. So here we have three kind of landing page. Now the question is what kind of landing page you should use, right? What kind of landing page is good for your offer? So basically it depends on your offer, okay? It depends on what kind of offer are you promoting. Generally quiz landing page perform better because when the audience interact with your quiz lander, they give you commitment, and at the end they went to your offer, the chances of buying or the chances of filling your CPO offer is very high. So most often I like to go with quiz landing page, okay, and then one button landing page. So when you're starting, you should test first quiz landing page, okay? Then you can test one button landing pages, and then you can test advertorial landing page. But most often, as I said, I like to go with these two types of landing page, okay? I like to go with quiz landing page and one button landing page. So this was a quick video on showing you what kind of landing page you should use when you are just starting. And the good thing is, in our affiliate mastermind program, when you join, we provide you ready-made campaigns, ready-made funnels, okay? So basically we provide you done for you funnels, done for you landing pages, okay, that you just drag and drop and just use for your campaigns. Okay, we provide you ready-made landing page like this, so you just have to copy this landing page and just put your affiliate link and start promoting the offer. We also provide you done for you one button landing pages. Okay, so in the mastermind we provide ready-made campaigns, ready-made landing page that makes your work easy. So if you want to join, check the link of mastermind from the description below. And if you have any question, drop them down below this video and I would love to answer them. Also, I have put the link of my free training, so go ahead, check that free training from the description. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.